Hello all, welcome. My hot tub video has had amazing views. Thanks to everybody that watches it and supports me. Um, just wanted to say a couple more thank yous. Thank you to Kate and Francis for the love and support. It means a lot. Thank you to my mom with always love and support. And I wouldn't be here. So uh, thank you to Ron for donating the tub and cover. That made a huge difference, made it super easy. Thanks to Joey for the donation of the wash tub to make my super sweet heat exchanger. And to Levi for supplying me with my super nice fire logs. They work really good in here. They burn hotter than normal wood does, so it makes it much better. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming by and stop by for more adventures. Hello everyone, so I thought I would give you a quick rundown on costs here. The tub was donated and the cover was donated, so I got those free. Those are going to be a couple $100 at least for those. Basically I needed a 1-inch shutoff, a 1-inch union, hunk of pipe, a 1-inch coupler that is reduced down to 1/2 inch to get to the pump size, and then a 1/2 inch to 5/8 flare fitting for that guy right there. That's leaking a little bit, to go to my copper tubing. Copper tubing was about $120. Just again for the local do it best here on the island. And then chunk of wood I had, outlet I had, so it cost me probably about $300 to hook it up like it is, but if you're buying it everything fresh, you're probably looking at more like $6. So yeah, that is the setup. I got my fire rolling. My tube is hot. So thanks for coming out, guys.